Bonjour. So this is to teach you how to use our digital archives, which is called wiwkwebthegen. So if you go straight to wiwkwebthegen.com, that is wiwkwebthegen.com, it will take you straight to this site here. And now if you want to learn how to use the online Potawatomi dictionary, at the top up here you have About, Collections, Dictionary, Browse Everything, Digital Heritage, or Home. If you click on Dictionary, it will take you to our online Potawatomi dictionary. Let's take you to this screen which says Browse Dictionary. And it gives you some options here. You can sort by so right now the word in Potawatomi is listed as A all the way through Z. If you switched it over, it would take the translation and switch it from A to Z. That's how you sort it through. Click on language, it's Potawatomi. It shows that there are 631 words on here at the moment. Keywords, there's nothing on the drop down menu. Parts of speech, there's nothing on that drop down menu. Word list, so there's a couple different word lists that are on here. So two of them being the different months. So you'll see Jim Thunder months, and we'll click on that. This will take you to the months that are used up in Forest County in Wisconsin. And you have Optanib Gizis, Babon Gizis. So they are listed in alphabetical order depending on the Potawatomi term. If we go back, we'll click word list again. You'll see next is the Joseph Borsaw months. Those are the months that were used around in this area in your Pokagon band. So again, the months are listed alphabetically by the Potawatomi word here. So if we go back, again, take us back to this page again. If you scroll through here, you'll see all these words here, and they're all listed alphabetically by the Potawatomi term again. Here, you will see the alphabet. It's a little bit different than our English alphabet. So we have, instead of just one E, we have a few different E's. So if you click on one of these letters here, this will take you to any word that starts with that letter. So for instance, we'll click on D. So the first thing that pops up is Davanan, which is he or she drags him or her. Maybe it's a deer or a car. And then it goes through alphabetically by the D. If you go back one more time, there's one other thing I want to show you here is you have a search bar. Now, say you want to find out the word for instance, a bear. If you type in bear and hit search, it's going to bring up every instance that the word bear is used. So, for instance, we have Wabumko, which is a white bear or a polar bear. We have Gagingashi, which is a grizzly bear. We have Kachumko Gizis, which is January in Wisconsin. And we're going to click on this one here. Mko is a black bear. We're going to click on Mko, and it'll take you to this page here. And you'll see right here, there is a recording of how to say that. And if you click this play button, there is a recording of how to say the word. If you look down here, you have sample sentences. So, example, Gachabauze omko, that bear is fat. That's just one example sentence there. And here's a picture of mko. If you look over here on the right hand side, you will see what is known as digital heritage items that are related. So what we have here is a beaded armband. We're going to click on that. Now it's going to take you to this. It'll show you all these different pictures. This is an artifact that is in our archives of a beaded armband that has a bear on it. Cool. I'll make another video on how to navigate items and pictures, but just to show you, there's a description here. This was made by David Martin, 1998, and we'll make another video on how to navigate through here. But what we're going to do at the moment is we're going to go back. If you look down here, you see related dictionary words. So these are words that are related to bear, mko, in some instance. So we have Wadodamin, which is his or her clan. We have Wabumko, which is a white bear or polar bear. We have Gagingji, which is a grizzly bear. We have Mkoshtigwan, which is one of our constellations. We're going to click on this top one here, Wadodamin. So this takes us to this side. So Wadodamin, his or her clan. If you click that recording, it plays the word. Sample sentences shows you how to say who your clan is. So this top one, Gano Ondodem, eagle is my clan. If you wanted to ask somebody, are you bear clan? You'd say Mko Nagadodem. Is the bear your clan? On and on. We'd have different sentences here. So now on this one, related dictionary words. You have all these different ones. And these are all different clans that we have. So I put them on there to relate it to when you have that word, Dodem or clan, to have a list of the different clans that we have. And then you're able to click on any of these here. So for instance, we will click on Jijok. Jijok is a sandhill crane. And this is what those look like. Sandhill crane, Jijok. So there's some different pictures of them. Another sample sentence and a recording. Jijok. Again, over here you have dictionary words that are related. We have Wadodamin and we have Jijok Nagos. This time we're going to click on Jijok Nagos. Jijok Nagos, the crane star, the Summer Cross constellation. And here's a picture of how that constellation is laid out. Now we've gone from clans and we've gone over to constellations now. So over here on the right hand side for related words, these are all different constellations that we have. And then down here at the bottom, additional media. Potawatomi view the Summer Cross constellation as Jijok Nagos, or the crane star. So if you go back up here again, related items, here is a map, constellation map, and then there's a page here. You hit next. There's also a video explaining that map. So there's many different things that you can do here on our wiwkwebthegen site. This is just to show you how the dictionary works. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave comment for me. You can send me an email or call the office. Bamapi.